fast airplane. So first you get a book or a flat surface. I've got the Backyard Astronomer's Guide. I'm gonna be making some space videos, so if you're watching this in the future, make sure you check them out. And if you haven't noticed those, we just made them before we started this video. They look really good, but we have to wait a bit. So the first thing you have to do is fold it hot dog ways. And make sure the crease is really good, because that's the secret to paper airplanes. The crease should be really good. Not really a secret now. Unfold it, and now fold the right corner into the middle, where the line is. Crease it once more. Same with the other side. Now you might be thinking this is a lot like the standard airplane, which I have a video on. But now, on a standard one, you do this. But on a fast one, you have to fold from here down for this pointing there. Like that. Now, do the same thing. Take the right corner and fold it into the middle. Same with the other side. And make sure there's crease. Crease is the best. Now, you have to do what you do with a standard airplane. Take this corner right there and fold it in. Same with the other one, and make sure there's crease. Now, you're almost done. Just fold it and flip it over. There you have it, paper airplane. Sometimes it gets a little crammed, but you just have to make sure it's evened out. Just like that. There you have it, a super fast airplane.